Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram. Assume that you have posted 2 to 3 multiple pictures on Instagram, and after some time you realize that you should not post one specific post from them, and how you can delete that one specific post from bunch of multiple photos. So this is very easy. Let's get started. First of all, assume that here is the photo which I post multiple posts, and here you want to delete the second one. So what you have to do is you just have to tap on the 3 dots which is on top right corner. Now you have to tap on edit. Now you just have to just swipe up a little bit, and here you guys can see a trash icon here. And in my area there is no option available of trash, but in your area there will be an option available. So you just have to tap on that trash icon, and it will ask you for delete option. You just have to tap on delete, and it will delete specific picture from multiple pictures on Instagram. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.